Many Samsung users rely on their calendar to manage daily schedules. In this video, we'll show you simple ways to export and import Samsung calendar events, plus a few handy tips at the end. Way 1. How to export Samsung Calendar to PC or Mac with one click. Do you want to export your calendars from Samsung to a computer? Or do you need to back it up to another Samsung or Android or iPhone? All this is easy for a special data transmission software. Give Android Backup and Restore a try. Step 1. Download and install Android Backup and Restore on a computer. Open the program and choose Phone Backup from its primary interface. Step 2. Link your source Samsung phone to this computer via USB and enable USB debugging on the phone. Please tap Backup to start backing up calendar events to the computer when it is recognized. Step 3. Select the Calendar option and click on the Backup button in the bottom right corner to kickstart the backup. The task may take you a few minutes. Do not unplug this Samsung phone from the computer until the transfer is done. Way 2. How to export Samsung Calendar to PC with Google account. Open the iCal Import or Export app and tap Export. Tap the email icon and choose how to send the ICs file. Name the file and tap Start Export. Connect your phone to your PC via USB. Copy the ICs file to your computer. Way 3. Backup Samsung Calendar to computer via Smart Switch. Install Samsung Smart Switch on your computer. Connect your phone via USB and tap Allow on the device. Open Smart Switch and click Backup. Select S Planner and click OK. Way 4. Export Samsung Calendar to new Samsung over Bluetooth. Pair both Samsung phones via Bluetooth. Long press the calendar event, tap Share, choose Bluetooth, and send. Accept the file on the receiving device. Wait for the transfer to finish. Way 5. Export Galaxy Calendar to Google Calendar. Open Samsung Calendar menu settings, manage calendars. Add your Google account if not listed. Turn on the toggle next to the Google account. Tap plus. Add event details. Select Google Calendar and tap Save.